Okay, guys, welcome to the training today. This is one of your trainers from the Smart Wolf Club. I'm always here, same time every day. So if you want to go live and start trading with me, so you can join me every day at this time. And all you have to do is fire up your computer or your mobile phone while you're watching our stream. You can take trades live and you can make money while you learn. So basically, you earn while you learn while you earn, whichever way you want to put it. But that is the idea. That's what we do here at the Smart Wolf Club. Those of you who didn't watch our previous live, please go and watch it. There's a replay on YouTube for you on our Smart Wolf Club channel. And if you are watching on the Smart Wolf Club channel, make sure you subscribe. We want to grow this channel, and with your help, you can help us grow this channel so we can reach more people. Our goal is to help at least 1,000 people this year be able to put bread on the table. Now, with that, we're going to jump into the live trade. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this because some of you are very impatient. I know you have to run. For some of you, you got to run really quick, right? You got to juggle many things. So I do understand, and I do appreciate you guys who keep coming back to our training. There's so many of you who are trickling in right now. I have 2 students here. These are my private students who are courtesy to them, due to their generosity, we are going to share their training with you guys for free. Now, before I go to one of their accounts, we're going to use one of the students' accounts to practice this strategy. We are calling it the trend following strategy. The trend is your king, okay? If you follow the trend, you are going to make money trading any assets. It doesn't matter whether you're trading Forex, crypto, stocks, options, whatever it is, whatever you're trading, gold, indices, it doesn't matter. Some of you are big on NASDAQ, some of you are NAS 100, some of you are big on US 30. I do know, I can see you guys on there. So it doesn't matter. We trade all those. We have students who are going through our Forex trading masterclass. There are those who are going through our stocks trading masterclass. Baby, getting the money, yep, from the stocks market. We have students who are going through options trading training. We have students who are doing crypto, which is a big thing now. And we also have students who are going through these binary options. So my 2 students right now are going through the binary options, and courtesy to them, they are willing and they are ready to allow us to share the trainings with you. They're camera shy. And let me know if you guys can see me or you can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Just put a chat on the chat, put ones. Let me see. Guys, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you all hear me? Can you guys see my screen? All right, everybody says everything looks cool. All right, then I'm ready to go. So guys, there are a few things that I want you to do. If you don't have the Pocket Options account, go ahead and get the free demo account. Let me just put the link in the description for you. Use this link. This is our link. If you use that, they give you a bonus, 50% of whatever you deposit. Okay, so the link is on the chat box, guys. Okay, and some of you are saying you are not onto you don't get the invitations to the live trading. Okay, I'm going to put that here. Join the Smart Wolf Club community here. Okay, let's put that on here also. All right, these are just housekeeping processes, and then we're going to jump into the live trading right away, guys. Okay, so just, all right, so you come here. You can see that also. All right, there we go. For those of you who are saying, oh, we want to join the masterclass, here is the masterclass. So you can go and join the masterclass right there. Okay, so those are the only 3 links that I'm going to share with you guys. Go ahead and click those and join. Okay, so now we're going to jump into the training, and here is our platform. We're going to use Pocket Options. Okay, I know there are many platforms out there, so whatever you have, you can just follow along. This is a live trade. You can take the trades live as I take them. And well, let me put a disclaimer. We are not sharing any financial advice or any investment advice. Whatever I'm showing you guys is our experience. Some of us have been online for many years. So we're just sharing our experience here. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to share what my students are going through right now. This one student is on the 100 to 20K challenge. Okay, 20K from $100 to 20K challenge, 20K challenge in 6 months. So we're sharing, this is part of the process. Okay, and let's just go back to the desktop version. All right, so we're going to the desktop version. You can see this account is at 312, started from 100, so literally triple the account in the last few sessions. If you missed the previous sessions, you can go watch the playlist. It says a key strategy, and if you missed our live training, you can go watch this playlist that says live training. Okay, make it simple, and it's on the Smart Wolf Club. And of course, hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we are going live, so you guys don't miss this live trading, because most of you are like, can you give us signals? Now this is a form of our signals. You come here, you trade with us live, you make money. No guarantees. Okay, no guarantees, because I cannot be here and fool you guys and tell you that whatever trades we're going to take, they're going to go into the money. We don't control the market. Okay, we do not control the market. We're just going to do our best, follow our rules, and our rules are very simple. If you don't know our rules, we use the KISS strategy rules. Okay, now, but before we do the trading, let me just bring up some training here that I prepared for you guys. So when it comes to trading strategies, it is important to note that no single strategy is guaranteed to be profitable in every situation. Now, that is key. Market conditions vary greatly. Okay, so right now we are using a broker called Pocket Options. They can vary those conditions anytime. Okay, the brokers are very whatever we're going to trade is the binary options, and it's the OTCs. They are very volatile, so the market conditions can vary. Okay, however, several strategies have proven effective, and one of the strategy we're going to use the key strategy. Here's a popular strategy that can be used across various markets, including Forex, stocks, and even binary options. So whatever I'm going to share with you guys, you can use it across. You just need to modify or tweak it a little bit, and we show you that in our trainings, in our masterclasses, and you can join those. The link is in the description. Okay, so the trend following strategy. So here is an overview. The trend following strategy is based on the idea that prices tend to move in trends. Okay, so there could be an upward trend or a downward trend. So this strategy is commonly used in Forex, but it can also be applied in other markets like stocks, binary options, crypto, and that's what we do. That's what we teach you, how to adapt this. Okay, so the key components is to identify the trend. We're going to do that, and we can use indicators like a moving average. So we're going to use one moving average, which is the 8 EMA. If you missed our previous training, you can go and watch that. You see us using the 8 EMA. Forget about the rest. Okay, so, and again is enter the trade. In an upward trend, you look for buying opportunities. Okay, price pulls back and then comes to a support level or to the moving average line. It starts to rise again. Boom, you enter the market. Okay, in a downward trend, you look for the selling opportunities. The price retraces to a resistance level or to the moving average line, and it begins to fall again. Boom, you enter the trade. Now, here for Forex, they're talking about stop losses. Okay, we don't trade with any stop losses. They're talking about take profit. We don't do that. Okay, but for some of our students, we are going through this training. Whatever I'm sharing with you here is I'm actually revealing the secret, some of the trainings that we go through with our students in the master classes. For those of you who are going through the Forex trading masterclass, these are some of the trainings that we go. So bear with me, guys. I'm sharing some of the secrets that we go through with our students. Okay, stop loss, take profit, and then when to exit the trade. And we teach you all this, guys, and you're going to learn this today. Simple and effective. Okay, we make it KISS. KISS means keep it simple, stupid. That's all we do. That's what we preach every day. If there's anything you're going to take from me today, is always keep your strategies simple, stupid, such that a 99-year-old grandmother can do it, a 16-year-old can do it. If you can't teach a 16-year-old to use your strategy, you don't need it. Throw it out of the window. If your 99-year-old cannot trade your strategy, it's too complicated. Throw it out of the window. Okay, too much headache, too much risk. Okay, all right, cons of the trend following strategy. False signals. Okay, there could be false signals, just like with any strategy. Okay, there's no strategy that's 100%. If there's anybody selling you a strategy that is 100%, they just not tested it long enough. So if they test it long enough, they're gonna fail. Final tips that I'm going to give you guys: back test the strategy. That's why we tell you, get the demo account, practice, get a test account. Most of the brokers will give you a test account. Other than the demo account, they can give you a test account. Test your strategies. Okay, if you're coming up with a new strategy, please don't trade your money unless you are willing to lose the money. Okay, only play with money that you can afford to lose. However, this strategy, when applied correctly, can be powerful, and I'm going to show you that, guys, right now, that it can be extremely powerful. Okay, so let's go back here, and we're going to use the key strategy. So let's go back to refresh. Key strategy says target daily profit is 3%. So these students are targeting 3% every day. Now, we do have students who target more than this or less than this, but I do not advise you to go more than 10%. Okay, even if you're a professional, advanced, you're going to blow your accounts, and that's why you guys blow your accounts, because your targets are crazy. They're not controlled. You have to have your own rules. So these are the rules we're going to follow today in my classroom. This is what we're going to follow. Daily target profit, 3%. We're going to use the 1% trading rule, not 2%. Some students use the 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. Depends on your risk appetite, how much risk you can stomach. My students here have told me only 1%. Okay, we use a modified martingale strategy. We call it modified because martingale strategy has a bad name. Some people, it's been used for hundreds of years. They use it in casinos, okay, where you lose, you double your stake, you double until you lose everything. You lose your house, you lose your shot, you lose everything. So it has a bad name. But here we're going to use it with a twist, a 2.5% X, the idea of the 2.5, so you can recover your losses at the same time you can profit. Okay, and then we're also going to use the hedging. Hedging means we take a trade. If it goes against us, we take an opposite trade of the equal amount. Okay, so we can minimize our loss. And of course, the whole thing is to compound growth strategy. That is the ultimate strategy that we are applying, because you can see we are in a challenge of $100 to 20K. So the only way we can get to 20K within 6 months is using the compound strategy. So every time we win, we grow our account. We leave it there. We keep on recycling this, and we go on and on and on and on and on. Okay, so you can see these students started at 109. Their goals were different. Okay, so right now we are at, you can see right now we are at 312. Okay, so if we go to 312, bring up a calculator. Here's a calculator. So we have 312, guys. Okay, I'm going to zoom past this because I've done this so many times that if you guys didn't watch my previous trainings, go ahead and watch it. Okay, I'm going to actually put the video down here so you guys can watch it, the live that we had. If you didn't see it, there's a playlist. You can go and watch it. Okay, so right here we are saying we are going with 312. Okay, so that's 312. You can see here 312.23. So it is 312.23 times 3%. So you're going to multiply by 103%, guys. That's maths. So our goal today is to get to 321.59. So we can say 321.60 because we are rounding it off to a 2 decimal place. Okay, that's simple maths. So we're going to come here and we're going to bring up our board. Okay, I told you guys you have to have a pen and paper. Okay, like this one right here. This is see that, a book and the paper. Okay, so our goal today, I'm going to write it down. It's 321.60. All right, let me just write it on here for some of you on a notepad. So it's 321.60. That's our goal for the day. So let's call it goal, and that's what we're going to strive to get to. If we get that or more, we quit. We call it a day. And then, of course, levels. Level 1 trade is going to be just 1%. Okay, we're using the 1% rule. Okay, guys, so our level 1 trade is going to be just 1% of whatever we are starting from. Okay, 1% of this, guys, is 312. Okay, you can do that in the calculator if you don't know how to get 321. No, sorry, 312.23. Boom, 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 times 1%. It is 312. Okay, so our level 1 trade is going to be 312. That's the size of our trade. This is how much we're going to risk. We don't want to risk too much. Level 2 trade. Level 2 is just going to be that times 2.5. So we multiply by 2.5. Okay. So that's 781. 781. 781. Okay, guys. So we're just going to do 781. 781. Level 3. So level 3 is going to be 781 times 2.5. That is 19.51. All right, we bring that up. 19.51. Then level 4. Okay, so we are on level 4 now. Level 4 is, multiply that by 2.5. So it's 48.79. 48.79, and then level 5. Okay, this is the last level we're gonna look at, guys. Okay, level 5. Level 5 is, multiply this by 2.5. So that's 121.96. Okay, so we're gonna have 121.96. And I put an asterisk here because I don't want to get to that level. It's very dangerous. Okay, so we just leave it there. Okay, and now we can get started. Okay, so we are going to get started at 312. 312. Okay, we get started at 312. Okay, so now what are we looking at? We said it's a trend trading strategy. So basically you come here and look at the trend. So you can see this one is going up. Okay, so basically you're going to be taking sell options. It's a 1 minute strategy, and these ones here are 30 seconds each. You can see those, guys. You can see those. Yeah, let me just know on the chat box if you can see those, guys. Okay, all right, see if you can see them. Okay, so there we go. So we are waiting for this to come to our position where we can take the trades. Okay, so we're going to be looking at these assets here. This is paying 92%. All right, this is going down, guys. You can see this is literally going down. This one is going up. Okay, so if it crosses, this is a moving average 8 EMA. If you don't know this, you can check our previous training. If this is not making sense to you, just go and check our previous training. We explained everything. But this is the moving average, and you get that from here. You see, you come here and you see the moving average. Okay, you click on that, and then you put 8 EMA. The type of the moving average is EMA. The style is 3 pixels, so we can see that. And each candle is 30 seconds. And it's 1 minute, okay? So this is going down, as I told you, okay? So it's down, and when it closes, we're gonna enter for a call option, a sell option. And we wait for 1 minute. If we lose, we're going up to the next one, okay, which is level 2. So we're gonna jump in there. So we jumped in. And you can see it went up instead of going down. It went up. So the next level up is 781. So we come here and put 781. And now we're going to do what we call hedge. So we're going to hedge our trade going to the opposite direction. Okay. So we're going to take a trade going to the opposite direction. Okay. So now we wait. It's a 1 minute trade. So we're going to wait. If that one goes the opposite, we're going to hedge that with the 1951, which is our level 3 trade. You can see it's right here. And we're going to hedge that going the other way. Okay. So we just keep waiting and see what happens to this. Our goal is to have this go up. And there we can see it's actually going up now. And that was in the money, guys. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. All right. So we can go and look at another one. Again, this, you can see the trend is an upward trend. So this crosses there. We're going to wait. So we have to go back to our level 1 trade, which was this one here, 312. We wait for this to close, and we're going to get in for a call option. The trend is an upward one, so we're going to go up. Okay, and we cross our fingers. If it loses, we go to the next one, which was the 781. 781. Okay, so there you go. So it's on 781. So it's going up and down, up and down. We are ready for a second trade. If this goes down or opposite, yes, like it's doing right now, we're just gonna hedge and okay, so it is going down. So it went the opposite, no problem. So we're just gonna hedge now. We took an opposite trade. And if that goes the other way around, we are going to hedge. So that means we're going to take the opposite direction of that, which is an upward direction. Okay, so we just wait. Pushing down. Okay, that's not all the way down. Pushed down and pulled back, so it's risky stuff. It looks like it's pulling back and pulling down. Okay, so we're gonna hedge the opposite direction, going up. Okay. And we just keep an eye on it. Okay, we keep an eye on that, and we know our goal was 321.60. So if we close in, if it goes our way, we're gonna hit that. If it doesn't, then we're gonna have to dig deeper. And it does look like it has a different plan. Yeah, it looks like it's planning to go the other way. Let's see. It is planning to go the other way. Oh, yes. Okay, so now it went the other way. So we're going to have to dig deeper, which is 48.79. Okay, we look at another pair. You can see that's going down. All right, yeah, this is downward, so we're gonna go down. Okay, we go down. Yes. We just wait. We wait and wait and wait. So yeah, I think it's very, you gotta be patient. It's very lonely trading, but that's why you have to join like a community. I think when you're a community, it makes life easier. Yeah. When you're on your own, it is very lonely. You can see that. Yes. So we are hoping this ends up in the money. Okay, this is because this is level 4. We don't want to go to level 5, my friends. So this is in the money, and you can see it's gonna go way past our goal for the day. Yes, it did. So we are done, guys. Okay, because it's at 330.75. The goal was 321.60. So we went way above, and using the compounding strategy, we are getting closer to our goal. So let's see how many trades we took. So we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we won 2 and lost 4. So guys, you don't have to win all your trades. You guys can see we took 6 trades, 6 trades, won 2 and lost 4, and the profit for the day is, we started at 312, and so that's at least about 18. Okay, it's just about $18. Okay, so that's the results, guys. You see the results. You can record the results. You want to put that in a journal. So the results are there, 330.75. All right, so that's 330.75. Okay, we just took trade. How many minutes are those? Literally 6 trades. Each trade is a minute. So let's say about 6 minutes. Maybe you took 1 or 2 minutes to analyze the trend, and that's why I'm teaching you about the trend. It doesn't take that long. Okay, so you can see how easily it is for you to get there. So guys, if you can allow me to just let you know that if you need help, we are here. You can just come to the link below that says join the masterclass, and you can join the masterclass. And this is, so when you click that link, you'll come here. You can put in your name, your email address. We send you our trainings. We also get invited to our live tradings. And then once you do that, you're going to get yourself to this, and you can join any of our masterclasses based on what you want to learn. If you want to learn binary options, Forex trading, stocks trading, they are all here. Whatever you want to learn, these are some of the students. And these fill up really quickly. Okay, so we only handle a few students. So if you find that it is full, closed, and just put your name on the waiting list, guys. Okay, so I'm going to end the training here. And if you have any questions, you can just hit us up or leave comments below. And make sure you subscribe so that tomorrow when we meet, you are notified and you can participate in the live trading. Okay, guys? So let's end that here, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, good night, good morning, and goodbye. Stay well, my friends, and may the market be good to you.